Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we're fixed how to Docker by default network change. This is my Silent Solution. Here is the Linux Cloud DevOps related many video. You can visit my channel. I think I have many video your uh, DevOps Cloud related. Thanks for watching. Let's go. First of all, we are see our Docker have our Docker have. Now we'll take our Docker network. Network have done. Now we'll take our Docker by default network phrase. Here is a by default. Sometimes we have many organization and their LAN environment internet conflict. The time conflict, their application not running. You have changed your by default bridge network, then your container run, then fix this issue. Let's go. First of all, we are uh, just our video purpose. Write this echo. Now have no any file. Now we are create just one. You have many ways since network, but one way. See just see here. You can another way since Docker page network. Let's go now. Docker. Yeah, I think our Docker is done. And let's do start status to running. Now we are checking our network. Yeah, our by default network is since now we can your container run. I have no problem. Thanks for watching.